kwenye shughuli hii muhimu. DJ kata kabisa, asante sana.
Shombole kule Odiaseka Iltilal, pengine sisi
wale wakina mama kwaya ya Arusha wataweza kweli.
The issue with stipends for our CHVs. We pride as a county to be among the few counties who has passed the Community Health Service Act 2020 that has given us the leeway to have a budget line for our CHVs.
We need to strengthen our community health volunteers so that we do more of infection prevention at the community level. Because if we are able to prevent at the community level, what it means, we are going to decongest our hospital. We will actually not have issues to do with the drugs, because it means people will not be coming to the hospital. Kwa sababu hakuna magonjwa, tunaelewana?
So what we are trying to do is to ensure that we're empowering every single community volunteer in the country in just a simple way. The same that we're doing here, we're doing it in Kwale, we're doing it in Migori County.